Ever wondered why we need to study math or how it applies to our daily life? Well, let's dive right into it. Mathematics, in its purest form, is the universal language that defines our world. From the symmetry of a snowflake to the orbits of planets, it's the invisible hand guiding the cosmos. But it's not just about the grandeur of the universe, it's also about the everyday decisions we make. When you're budgeting for groceries, calculating travel time, or even deciding the fastest checkout line, you're using math. It's the silent partner in our decision-making process, helping us solve problems and think logically. Imagine trying to build a house without understanding measurements, angles, and proportions. That's right, it would be chaos. So, math isn't just about crunching numbers, it's also about bringing order and understanding to our world. So you see, math is not just about numbers, it's about understanding the world around us. Often people find math intimidating because of its complexity. But is it really complicated? Let's break this down. Imagine you're a detective and you've been given a case. The case is a puzzle with a known outcome, but the pieces leading to that outcome are missing. Your job is to find these missing pieces to solve the puzzle. This, my friends, is the essence of algebra. It's all about solving problems or puzzles where you know the result but need to figure out the components that lead to it. Intriguing, isn't it? Now let's take a step further into the world of calculus. You might think of it as a monster with its strange symbols and seemingly endless rules. But just like our detective scenario, calculus is all about solving puzzles too. But these puzzles are a bit different. They involve change and motion. Imagine you're watching a leaf falling from a tree. It doesn't fall straight down, does it? It dances in the air, moving this way and that before finally reaching the ground. Calculus allows us to understand this dance. It helps us calculate how things change and move, just like the leaf. It's a bit like having a superpower that lets you see and understand the hidden patterns of the universe. Think about it. From solving puzzles to understanding the dance of a falling leaf, these aren't just abstract concepts. They're tools that help us make sense of the world around us. And the beauty of it is, once you grasp the basic idea, you can apply it to solve all sorts of problems, from the simplest to the most complex. So next time you come across a complex math problem, don't shy away. Instead, see it as a puzzle waiting to be solved or a dance waiting to be understood. Break it down step by step, and you'll realize that it's not as daunting as it first appeared. That wasn't so hard, was it? When we break it down, even the most complex math problem can be understood. Now that we've simplified complex math concepts, where can we see these in our everyday life? Well, let's take a moment to explore the world around us. Math is not just about numbers, it's about logical thinking and problem solving. It's in everything we do, from cooking our favorite dishes to shopping for groceries. When we measure ingredients for a recipe, we're using fractions and conversions. While shopping, we often compare prices and calculate discounts, which involves percentages. Even in our daily routines, we unknowingly use math. We schedule our day, balancing work, leisure, and sleep. This involves an understanding of time management, a concept deeply rooted in math. Think about the buildings around us, the roads we travel on, even the music we listen to. They're all designed with mathematical principles. The rhythm and harmony of music, for instance, are based on mathematical ratios. Indeed, math is everywhere, and understanding it helps us navigate our daily lives with ease. What does the future hold for mathematics? Is it still relevant in this age of technology, you might ask? Well, let me tell you, the relevance of mathematics is not fading, but rather growing exponentially. In fact, it's become the backbone of modern technology. Consider coding, the invisible architecture of our digital world. It's all mathematics, a symphony of algorithms and functions. Or take artificial intelligence, the technological titan reshaping our world. It's fueled by math, by intricate equations that model learning and cognition. And then there's data analysis, the science of decoding patterns and trends. It's nothing less than applied mathematics, a tool to navigate the sea of information we generate every day. Mathematics is not just surviving in this digital age, it's thriving, it's becoming more vital, more dynamic, more integral to our progress. So, next time you wonder about the relevance of math, remember this: math is the language of the universe, and it's here to stay.